Are you tired of feeling broke by the end of each month, wondering where all your money went? You're not alone. But here's the truth. Financial freedom doesn't come by accident. It's made with small, smart decisions. And if you're in your 20s, now is the time to start. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 simple but powerful budgeting tips to help you save more money, start building wealth, and stop worrying about your finances. Ready to take control of your future? Let's get into it. We all know the drill. You get paid, feel on top of the world, but a week later, you're scrambling to figure out how you spent it all. Is that you right now? Don't worry, you're not alone. This is where budgeting becomes your best friend. But how do you make it work when life is busy and the temptation to spend is everywhere? It's all about the basics, and today, I'm breaking it down step by step. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, track your spending. I know. You don't have time to track every coffee you buy or that random Amazon purchase, right? But here's the thing. Awareness is power. You can't fix what you don't see. I want you to take a few minutes every week to check your spending. Apps like Mint or YNAB, You Need a Budget, can do the heavy lifting for you. The best part? You'll wake up to the truth about where your money is going. Spoiler alert. It's probably not all going to your savings. Don't let this be you. It's the 28th, and you're realizing you've only got $50 left in your account. That's why tracking your spending gives you the power to stop habits that are draining your money. Don't ignore the small leaks, or they'll sink your ship. Yeah, we've all been there. But seriously, tracking your spending gives you the clarity to make smarter decisions. Tip number 2, set clear financial goals. Here's a secret. Without a target, you're just shooting arrows into the dark. And let's be real, no one gets rich by accident. Whether it's building an emergency fund, saving for a vacation, or buying your first home, you need clear, achievable goals. Start small. I want to save $500 for a rainy day as a goal. I want to be financially independent by 35 is a bigger, more ambitious goal. The key is to break down big dreams into bite-sized actions. Don't know where to start? Here's a game changer. Write down 3 financial goals you want to achieve in the next year. Got it? Good. Now make sure you're budgeting for those goals. They are your why behind every dollar spent. But here's the thing. Goals alone won't cut it if you don't have a strategy. So how do you actually make these goals happen? Well, I'm about to give you the next budgeting secret that could change everything. Tip number 3, automate your savings. Listen up. The richest people don't wait until the end of the month to save. They set up automatic transfers that take money from their account before they even see it. Imagine if you just automatically sent 20% of your paycheck straight into your savings. No effort required. It's like having your future self thank you. You won't miss the money because it was never in your hands to begin with. Plus, automation helps eliminate the temptation to splurge. Trust me, the more automated your savings, the better you'll feel. Because we all know how hard it is to resist those late-night online sales. Tip number 4, the 50-30-20 rule. If you've never heard of this, you're about to become its biggest fan. Here's the breakdown. 50% of your income should go to needs. That's rent, bills, food. 30% to wants. That's your fun stuff like dining out, entertainment, or that coffee addiction. And 20% should go to savings and debt repayment. This method works because it helps you strike the perfect balance between living your life and securing your future. So before you splurge, check that pie chart. Are you spending too much on wants? If you are, it's time to cut back and redirect that money into your future. But hey, we're not talking about giving up everything you love. Budgeting should give you freedom, not restriction. Now, what if I told you there was one final secret that could really turbocharge your budgeting efforts? This next tip isn't just about saving money, it's about building wealth. Tip number 5, track and adjust regularly. Building wealth isn't a one-time thing, it's a habit. Set aside time each month to review your progress. Are you sticking to your goals? Are you overspending in certain areas? Track it, adjust it, and keep moving forward. You know what they say, what gets measured gets improved. So, if you're not reviewing your budget, how will you know if you're making progress? This is the key to long-term success, making continuous improvements and staying flexible. Now that you've got these 5 simple budgeting tips in your arsenal, you're ready to start saving and building wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.